Before we dive into today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos about technology, AI, and making money online. Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your laptop, and seeing that you earned money while you were sleeping. It might sound unbelievable, but thousands of people are already doing this using artificial intelligence tools. One of the most powerful tools helping people create income today is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This AI tool can write content, generate ideas, help with research, and assist with business tasks in seconds. In this video, you will discover how real people are using ChatGPT to make money online and how you can start using the same strategies. The internet has created countless opportunities for people to earn money from anywhere in the world. However, one of the biggest challenges people face is producing enough content and ideas quickly. Businesses constantly need blog posts, marketing messages, scripts, and social media content. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely powerful for creators and freelancers. It helps generate ideas and draft content much faster than traditional methods. Because of this speed and efficiency, many people are now using AI as a productivity partner in their online businesses. One of the most popular ways people make money with ChatGPT is freelance writing. Companies and websites always need articles, product descriptions, and blog posts to attract customers. Writers can use ChatGPT to create outlines, research summaries, and first drafts in minutes. After that, they simply edit and improve the content before delivering it to clients. Many freelancers offer their services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where businesses hire writers every day. By completing projects faster, freelancers can work with more clients and increase their income. Another powerful opportunity comes from managing social media content for businesses. Brands need constant content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to stay visible online. Creating captions, video ideas, and marketing messages daily can be time-consuming. ChatGPT helps social media managers brainstorm dozens of ideas in minutes. It can also generate captions, content calendars, and script ideas for short videos. This allows creators to manage multiple clients while maintaining a consistent posting schedule. Many content creators are also using ChatGPT to build YouTube channels. Creating videos requires planning topics, researching information, and writing engaging scripts. ChatGPT can generate video ideas, create script drafts, and summarize complex topics quickly. Creators then convert those scripts into videos using voiceovers and editing tools. Over time, successful channels can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For many creators, AI works like a virtual assistant, helping them produce content more efficiently. Affiliate marketing is another major income stream where ChatGPT plays a big role. In affiliate marketing, people promote products and earn a commission whenever someone buys through their referral link. The key to success in this field is creating helpful and informative content. ChatGPT helps generate product reviews, comparison articles, and buying guides. These pieces of content attract readers who are searching for solutions online. When readers click affiliate links and purchase products, the creator earns a percentage of the sale. Another growing trend is creating and selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, templates, guides, planners, and educational resources. ChatGPT helps creators brainstorm ideas and draft the content much faster. After editing and designing the product, creators can sell it repeatedly without additional production costs. Many people sell digital products on platforms like Etsy or through their own websites. Because digital products can be downloaded instantly, they can generate passive income for months or even years. Online courses have also become a powerful way to earn money online. Many people have knowledge or skills that others are willing to learn. Creating a course usually requires planning lessons, writing scripts, and organizing educational material. ChatGPT can help structure the entire course and generate lesson outlines quickly. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow instructors to sell courses to a global audience. Once the course is published, it can continue generating income as new students enroll. Another interesting opportunity is offering AI consulting services to businesses. Many companies want to use AI tools but don't know where to start. People who understand how ChatGPT works can help businesses automate tasks like customer support and marketing content. For example, companies receive hundreds of customer questions every day through email and chat systems. AI-powered chat systems can respond to common questions instantly. Businesses are willing to pay consultants who can help set up these automated solutions. Prompt engineering has also become a new skill in the AI economy. Prompt engineering means writing clear instructions that guide AI tools to produce better results. Many companies struggle to get high-quality outputs from AI because their prompts are unclear. Professionals who understand how to craft effective prompts can help businesses improve productivity. These experts design prompts for marketing campaigns, research tasks, and automated workflows. As AI adoption grows, prompt engineering is becoming an increasingly valuable skill. E-commerce sellers are also using ChatGPT to grow their online stores. Running an online store requires writing product descriptions, advertising copy, and customer messages. ChatGPT can generate persuasive product descriptions that highlight features and benefits clearly. It can also help create marketing messages and promotional emails. Better descriptions and marketing copy often lead to higher conversion rates. This means more visitors turn into paying customers. Email marketing is another area where ChatGPT helps businesses increase revenue. Companies rely on email campaigns to communicate with customers and promote new products. Writing engaging email sequences can take a lot of time and creativity. ChatGPT can generate subject lines, promotional messages, and automated email series. Marketers then refine the content to match their brand voice. This allows businesses to send consistent campaigns that drive more sales. Another strategy people use is building niche websites. A niche website focuses on a specific topic such as technology, health, travel, or finance. Creators publish helpful articles that attract visitors through search engines. ChatGPT helps generate article drafts and topic ideas quickly. As traffic grows, website owners earn money through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Over time, a successful niche website can become a long-term passive income source. Podcast creators are also using ChatGPT to plan their episodes more efficiently. Producing a podcast requires researching topics and preparing discussion points. ChatGPT can generate outlines, interview questions, and storytelling ideas. This makes it easier for hosts to plan engaging conversations. Instead of spending hours preparing notes, they can focus on delivering value to their audience. AI helps reduce preparation time while improving content quality. Another growing opportunity is research assistance. Many professionals need large amounts of information summarized quickly. ChatGPT can explain complex topics and organize key points in seconds. Freelancers offer research and summary services to students, businesses, and content creators. They use AI to speed up the initial research process. After that, they verify information and add their own insights. Entrepreneurs are also using ChatGPT to start small online businesses. When launching a business, people often need help with planning and marketing. ChatGPT can assist with business plans, marketing strategies, and website content. It can also generate ideas for brand names and product descriptions. This reduces the time and cost required to start a business. Many entrepreneurs use AI as a brainstorming partner during the early stages of their projects. However, it is important to understand that ChatGPT is a tool, not a magic solution. The people who succeed with AI are those who combine it with real skills and creativity. Human editing, critical thinking, and originality are still extremely important. AI can generate drafts and ideas, but humans must refine and improve the final result. The most successful creators treat AI as a powerful assistant rather than a replacement. Consistency is another important factor in making money online. Many beginners expect instant results, but success usually takes time and experimentation. Whether someone is building a YouTube channel, a blog, or a freelance business, growth happens gradually. ChatGPT helps speed up content creation, but dedication and persistence are still necessary. People who keep learning and improving their strategies usually achieve the best results. Another important aspect is learning how to communicate effectively with AI tools. Detailed prompts often produce better results than simple instructions. Experienced users experiment with different prompts to refine the output. Over time, they develop workflows that maximize productivity. This learning process helps them use AI more efficiently in their work. Looking ahead, AI technology will continue evolving and creating new opportunities. Tools are already emerging that combine writing, voice generation, and video creation in one workflow. As these technologies improve, the ability to create digital businesses will become even easier. People who learn how to use AI early will have a strong advantage in the digital economy. The future of work will likely involve collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. If you are just starting your journey, the best approach is to choose one strategy and focus on it. You might start with freelance writing, content creation, or affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT to help generate ideas and speed up your workflow. As you gain experience, you can explore additional opportunities. Step by step, you can build skills that turn AI into a valuable income tool. The biggest lesson from all of this is simple. Artificial intelligence is not just changing technology, it is changing how people work and create value. Those who learn to adapt and use these tools creatively can unlock powerful opportunities. Instead of fearing AI, smart creators are learning how to work alongside it. And in many cases, that collaboration is opening the door to entirely new sources of income. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who wants to learn about making money online. The world of AI is just getting started, and the opportunities are growing every day. With the right mindset, the right tools, and consistent effort, you could be one of the people building a successful digital income using AI.